Magkano ba yung sapat na halaga na kailangan mo para masabi mo pwede ka nang mag-retire? So here's a fun little exercise that I do with my private clients para maraman nila how much they need to invest for them to be able to retire. So imagine your perfect year or perfect month, wherein you're able to provide for your basic needs, food, shelter, water, other necessities, plus a little extra for fun, leisure, and travel. Magkano yun for you? Let's say it amounts to 100,000 per month. Multiply it by 12. That equals to 1.2 million. Ibig sabihin, if you have 1.2 million today, you can already survive or live comfortably for 1 year. Now, divide that amount to 0.04. Bakit 0.04? Because assuming 4% is the most conservative rate of return for your investment. Sa stock market, average rate of return for the last 30 years is anywhere from 8 to 10%. It could be high at 25% or 30%, or it could be as low as 4%. So let's take the most conservative rate of return, which is 4%. So 1.2 million divided by 0.04 equals 30 million. Ibig sabihin, if you have 30 million invested in liquid investment, it will earn you 1.2 million pesos a year at 4% interest rate. That means if meron kang 30 million pesos invested now, whether may work ka or wala, set ka na for life. But wait, there's more. Since yung investment mo is nagko-compound every year, meaning yung interest ng investment mo is also earning interest every year, hindi lang 1.2 million yung possible growth ng 30 million mo. So let's say you will be investing 30 million for the next 10 years. I-compute natin siya using simple algebra. So 30 million times 1.04 raised to 10 or to the 10th power equals to 44.407 million. Ibig sabihin, yung 30 million mo, may potential growth na 14.4 million at a very conservative rate of return at 4% for the next 10 years. And that, boys and girls, is the power of investing and compounding interest.